Hello, hello, my beloved waking gods and goddesses. Welcome to Love, Truth, and Beauty. Do it yourself or divine in the flesh. Now the replays on IGTV at dakini.kiss, where together we learn how to surf and navigate the ups and downs of the totality of human experience, including learning how to do tutorials on cleaning up cat poop out of the carpet, which is today's episode 97. So welcome. My name is Maria West, and I'm your hostess of the highest here. And this is a video that I made just before I started Love, Truth, and Beauty this past January, at the beginning of this year. What a crazy, crazy year. So I figured that instead of deleting this video, that I would just go ahead and upload it, since we've been talking about shit shows. And what better shit show to learn how to clean up for yourself than cat poop in the carpet or on the floor, or maybe dog poop or dog barfies and all that kind of stuff. So anyways, this is what I'm up to this time around. So enjoy.
Hello, my beloved waking gods and goddesses, and welcome to Love, Truth, and Beauty. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to clean up cat poop off a carpet. And to be able to do so, removing all the stains, all the little ootsies, and you're going to be using this, a bunch of paper towels, and you're going to dump everything in one of these doggy bags. So, okay, let's just get started. So the first thing you're going to do is you are going to pick up the ootsies, and you're going to use paper towels. And if you're one of those environmentalists that thinks you're going to get away with using very few paper towels, you're out of your mind. Because if you've got kids, you've got pets, cats, dogs, birds, bunnies, ferrets, whatever, you know, in the realness of having these critters along with small people, that you're going to be doing a lot of cleaning upping. Okay, so you're going to grab it, okay? You're not going to, like, smush it in. And that's one of the big pains in the butts, is that a lot of people get upset and they don't want to, like, take the time to actually grab up the little ootsies out of the fibers. So this is what I do. I just fold the paper towel, okay, and I get in there. And you can feel it. You can feel it, okay? And you're going to use as many of these. You may go through an entire paper towel roll. I like to use the Bounty. I don't like to use the cheap paper towels, because you think you're saving money. Guess what? You're not, because they're not workable. Okay? So you just get in there. Okay? And I know this is boring and tedious, but it is what needs to be done. And especially if an aging sick cat or dog, they're going to have accidents. Okay, and keep going until you feel like you're at a point where, okay, all right, because what you want to do is you want to contain it, okay? You don't want to spread it all over the place, all right? Okay. So I think I'm going to do one more, and then we're going to spray. Do the spray portion of it. Okay. All right. I think that looks pretty good. All right. So the next step is you're going to take this Nature's Miracle Stain and Odor Remover. It's the enzymatic formula, and they have several scents. There's 2 citrus scents, that is orangey. One is sort of pseudo citrusy, and the other one is melon. I like them all. Doesn't matter. And you are going to spray directly onto the spot, the stain. Okay? And, you know, the directions would have you let that soak in. I do these multiple applications because I want to, you know, I want to clean it up. So, and I'm grabbing, and you can see that it is picking up the problem. Okay. And you could add more. I'm going to continue to pick up. And you want to grab it out of the fibers, okay? And you can use gloves. Hell, I don't care. If you're pregnant, I would suggest you get somebody else doing this for you, or definitely wear gloves and a mask if you need to. Okay, so you can see that that's cleaning up pretty well. Okay, and when it is clean in that area, okay, that's when you can, like, consider yourself done. And, okay, so you want to sop it up, and that looks pretty good. I'm going to do one more application, and okay, and this is how it is. Yeah, and so okay, and that's pretty good. Looks like there was extra little stain there. So let's do another one for good measure. And you need to let the product work. A lot of people will, like, use this product, and, you know, you need to, it's required, 24 hours is required for it to, you know, do its thing, because these have enzymes. So that's pretty clean. And there's enough product there. So what the enzymes do is, if there's still poop elements, pee elements here, it will eat it up. And it takes about 24 hours. You want to let the spot dry, sop it up, and there you go. Okay? All right. Thanks for tuning in. Like, share, subscribe, hit the bell to be notified. Thanks. Until next time. So just as a follow-up, I noticed that, you know, I put a lot of extra product, and one of the reasons why is that it was a little runny. So the main one was like right around here, but it was running through. It was a little liquidy. So you have to, like, really be able to cover your bases as far as whether it's poop or pee or puke, and be able to get enough product in there, because the product will keep working as long as there's some sort of remnants. Okay, that's a PS. Here are the tools that you'll need: doggy, baggy, paper towels, Nature's Miracle, all the various scents. The middle one is the melon scent.
Okay. End of story, loves. All right. See you next time. Bye.